In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your personal life in one ClickUp, 5 minutes. First, log into your ClickUp account so we can set up a clean, distraction-free home for your life admin. If you already use ClickUp for work, we're going to keep everything separate so your personal world stays tidy and private. Start by creating a new private space and name it Personal Life. Pick a distinct color or icon so it's instantly recognizable in your sidebar. Keeping this space private ensures it's just for you, and it helps you switch mental gears quickly between work and home. Next, speed things up with templates. Browse ClickUp's template gallery and apply a personal productivity or life plan template. These come with pre-built lists, statuses, and sample tasks, which you can quickly tweak. If a template adds more than you need, delete extra lists or fields now so the setup stays lightweight. To keep the interface focused, turn off team features. Switch to the personal workspace layout so collaboration tools like assignees and guests don't clutter your views. This keeps the experience simple and encourages you to use ClickUp as a personal command center. Now create high-level folders inside your new space for your major life areas. Think categories like health, finances, home, learning, or family. The goal is to mirror how you naturally think about your life, so use names that make sense to you. A few broad buckets are better than too many. Inside each folder, create lists for specific projects or routines. For example, in finances, you might have budget, bills, and savings. In home, you could have maintenance and projects. Lists act like containers for everything you're actively working on. Add tasks with clear titles and due dates, and use subtasks to break work into small, doable steps. For habits or recurring chores, set repeating due dates so they automatically reappear. Add notes, links, or attachments right inside the task to keep everything in one place. Leverage the key views that make personal planning effortless. Use List View for details, Board View to move items from to-do to done, and Calendar View to see your week at a glance. Turn on me mode or filter by due date to focus only on what's relevant today. Set priorities so your most important tasks rise to the top. Finally, manage notes and ideas by creating a doc or using the notepad. Store journaling, reference material, and brainstorms here, and link them to tasks when they turn into action. That's your streamlined personal life system in ClickUp. Simple, organized, and ready to use.